Okay, the reason I'm actually back here is for toilet paper. And where's the toilet paper though? Costco, late night run too. This is the latest I've ever been at Costco. There's barely anybody here. A couple times a week I'm doing Taekwondo, so I have less time. So I'm gonna pick up a few things before they shut down here. First thing being these organic broccoli. It's crazy how dead it is in here. I've never seen it like this. Pick up some strawberries. Sad to see summer go away. Fruits aren't as good anymore. Normally I don't like getting these gimmicky fruit packages, but these Disney branded Gala apples, organic, actually a really good deal. This whole bag, less than $5. All right, check my list. Avocados, watermelon, onions, okay, need to get that. Bananas, apples. All right, these bananas are actually looking halfway decent. Looking like they're gonna ripen properly. We use so many onions. We go through this whole bag in probably about 2 weeks. I'll get a bag of these organic yellow onions. Of course, gotta get these avocados for avocado toast. Let's see how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $13. Kind of expensive, but these are looking pretty big. I've been busy all day. I haven't even really gotten to eat. And this right here looks so good. Ooh, October 2nd. See, this is a good time to buy poke because normally at the beginning of the day, they sell like the day-old or even 2-day-old poke. But this was made today, so it's super fresh. And they got the ahi spicy tuna wasabi poke. So, ooh, I'm so tempted to get both. I think I might get both, even though it's hella expensive. Maybe I'll just get one. I think I'm just gonna get both. Fresh milk. Get the 4-pack, just like the poke. I'm gonna get the most fresh, 12/12. Isn't that crazy? It is the beginning of October and this milk expires 2 months from now. Let's see if I can find one that's even fresher than that. 12/06. Okay, no, so this one's better. Let's see if I can find one way back here. 12/06. Let's see, what does that say? 12/06, 12/02. Oh, it's getting later and later. I think this is the one right here. 12/12/2024. Normally they put the fresh stuff in the back. Guess somebody got lazy, put it in the front. Look at this detergent. This is our go-to brand, the Ultra Clean. So Judy does all the laundry. We do divvy up the different chores and tasks around the house. So I don't know exactly how many loads of laundry we do, but I have a feeling Judy does at least 2 loads a day, at least. So we're talking 14 loads a week. That is, how many is that? 146 loads. Let's see if I can do the math on that. It's 10 weeks, so it's barely 2 months. We go through one whole thing of laundry detergent in 2 months. And I actually would say probably less time than that, because sometimes it feels like we do 3 to 4 a day, maybe on the busy days. Personally, not a fan of these beads, but she does like these things. I don't even know what these do. What is this? In-wash scent booster. I don't like anything that's artificial. The only thing that's artificial, that's scented, that I like is perfume and cologne. I'm okay with that. Anything else, I want it to be clean, so no smell at all. And that includes soap too. I really should come here late night. It's pretty slow today. It's like the Asian aisle. Got this bubble tea drink, Joyba. What is this? Mango passion fruit green tea, strawberry lemonade green tea, and it even has popping boba. So unusual to have that you can buy just off the shelf. Hello Kitty boba milk tea. Never tried this stuff, but it is quite popular. Ginseng essence with Manuka, honey, and GABA. I think Manuka is a honey from New Zealand, if I'm correct. Only had it once, not a huge fan. It's got kind of a unique flavor to it. I think it's popular in Asia, and correct me if I'm wrong, especially in China. I think it's got some health benefits, so maybe people like to get that, especially Chinese, you know, they're all about that natural medicine, so it makes sense. And by the way, this coconut water, legit. I don't even buy that really expensive stuff that's refrigerated. Now, I'm not saying this is better than that in terms of the health benefits, but for the price, which is you get 9 of these 33 ounces for 19 bucks, 0.062 per ounce. I'll take it. 6 cents per ounce. Now they do have this smaller pack, which I think if you drink a lot less would be good, but you are paying a whole 2 cents more per ounce. In my opinion, just get the big bottle and just cap it. That's what I do because I don't always finish it. Sometimes I literally will keep it for 2 or 3 days. Okay, the reason I'm actually back here is for toilet paper. I think it's literally all gone. That's the first time since the pandemic there's no toilet paper, which is wild. Or maybe that's paper towels, but still that is kind of crazy. And where's the toilet paper though? There's gotta be toilet paper. That would be nuts. Maybe they don't have toilet paper. Whoa. So there's this huge strike going on here in America right now. And it's the port workers on the East Coast mainly, but you're talking, I believe, 40,000 employees that run the shipping container loading and offloading, and they were saying that it might affect the supply chain. So I wonder if toilet paper is one of those things. So recently I switched us over to the powdered dishwasher detergent. I'm wondering, honey, if we should go to the powdered laundry detergent, because this whole thing, this whole box is 20 bucks versus this, which is also 20 bucks, but it's only 146 loads versus the 200 loads of the powdered stuff. Again, on the price tag, it'll tell you per load how much you're paying. The powdered stuff is 10 cents per load, the liquid stuff 20 cents per load, so you're getting double. And I've heard that the powdered stuff is all you need. The liquid stuff, I don't know why they would do that. Maybe it's a little more convenient just being able to pour it out of a spout. Maybe I can get Judy to convert us over, because damn, we be buying laundry detergent a lot. Okay, so we need to get potato chips. This is the first time I've seen Miss Vicky's. Not sure where this is from, but it's a popular brand. Let's see where's Miss Vicky's from? Oh, owned by Frito-Lay, of course. They buying everything up. It says it's from New York. Tell me if you're familiar with this brand and where it's from. Which one's your favorite? I think jalapeno is the one I would go for. Sea salt and vinegar, but I do like barbecue. Funny enough, just regular potato chips are my least favorite. This is also first. Game Day Flavors by Frito-Lay. Doritos barbecue. Oh, I've never seen that before. Sweet and tangy barbecue. Of course, cheddar and sour cream. Flavor twist, honey barbecue, sour cream and onion. Popcorn cheddar. Kids actually love that. And then Cheetos. Interesting combo. I wonder why it's game day specific. The chips are definitely one of those foods I've eaten a lot less as I get older. But put me in front of a bag of really good jalapeno chips. Tim's Cascade specifically, especially on one of those drinking nights. I'll down that whole bag. I don't care what the size is. For us, this Kettle brand is our go-to because this whole bag is only $6. I mean, it's pretty hefty too. A lot of weight to it. Our girls do go through this pretty quick. This is an unusual find. Zaps. I believe this is from Louisiana. Hanover, Pennsylvania. The reason I thought it was from New Orleans or from Louisiana, because it says New Orleans Kettle style voodoo flavor. I don't know what that is. What's voodoo? What kind of flavor is that? So I'm in the sauce aisle and I just realized something I haven't seen in a long time. Kewpie mayonnaise. Maybe they gave up. Maybe they finally listened to me. Or maybe it's just on the end of the aisle. Never, never, ever. How dare they? Japanese style mayonnaise to sell the real stuff already. I know it seems petty, but if you know, you know. It's just not the same. One of my favorite finds at Costco recently is this probiotic and prebiotic drink. They've got the raspberry lychee and the strawberry passion. This is a very low sugar sparkling drink, and the kids actually love it too. I rarely get to drink very many of these because the girls are drinking these drinks these days. Let's see, this has 6 grams of sugar, 5 grams of added sugar. So there is sugar in it still, but not as much as a soda. So I do like this. Monk fruit extract, but there isn't any sugar in this. Oh, agave nectar. I'm assuming agave is better for you. I've never seen this before. Sriracha seasoning. Weird. Sugar's the first ingredient, but you get 0% sugar. Maybe because you're not supposed to use very much. Sriracha seasoning. Speaking of Sriracha, the brand of Sriracha they sell here, I'm gonna try to look for it. Legit, way spicier than the original. And now, I used to love the original. I like this brand way better. And supposedly this is the farm that grew the peppers for the original Sriracha company. They had a falling out, they changed their supplier, so this pepper farm, they made their own Sriracha, which is kind of funny because I guess Sriracha isn't trademarked. Sriracha is like saying barbecue sauce. Let me know if you know the full story, what the details are. Kind of glad it happened. This new Sriracha, legit, so good. Excuse me, do you guys sell that Sriracha sauce? That new Sriracha brand?
These are really pretty much like the hot sauces we got.
Okay, these are the ones that you got?
There's also a few, there's also
at the end?
one at the end.
Okay.
It's like the truffle butter one.
Okay, cool.
Is that what you're kind of looking for?
No, you guys had this new Sriracha brand that I can't find, but it's all good.
Do you know like the name of it actually?
It's like something Woods Farms or something like that. I don't know. I forgot what it. I know what it looks like. It's like a black bottle that looks like Sriracha. That's all good. I'll look around for it. Okay, thank you.
Sorry about that.
It's all good. Sometimes they move the products. I'm not gonna buy it today, but this ox palm corned beef, legit, and of course Spam. I like the less sodium one. Okay, I don't know why this random ceramic heater's here. I wonder if people pick it up thinking, oh, this is a good buy, and then halfway through their shopping experience, they're like, maybe not. And then they just leave it there. Not cool though, gotta put it back. So this is the thing the guy was talking about. I've never seen this quad pack. We've got the jalapeno lime, the black truffle oil, the habanero hot sauce, and then original hot sauce. I've tried this one, and that's it. Tell me if you've tried these and if they're any good. I bought a bottle of truffle oil when I was in Europe. We're talking 2007, and that bottle literally lasted me forever. I think I just recently threw it away because I didn't use it very much. I like truffle oil, but it's kind of overrated, so I've never really been into those truffle sauces. I'm guessing those ones aren't pure truffle oil. What I bought in Italy was like pure truffle oil. Really expensive, and yes, it's decadent. The way I describe it, it's like a really fancy bacon essence that tastes way more umami, I guess. And I like it when I'm at a nice restaurant if they've got like truffle pasta or something like that. But for me, if I'm gonna have truffles, and I only have it not very often, I'm getting the real thing, real truffles at a restaurant. This is probably one of the most unhealthy things we buy, but it's hard to replace this Hershey's chocolate syrup. This stuff combined with the vanilla ice cream that Kirkland brand makes, so good. And I know I talked about how we make our own ice cream because Kira's ice cream's legit. But vanilla, that's the only one, and it's mainly because Judy loves the Kirkland brand vanilla ice cream. But outside of that, in fact, tonight I would love to make some ice cream because Kira's Cinnamon Toast Crunch with a little maple syrup instead of white sugar. Whew. So good. The girls are asking for some red sauce or meat sauce specifically. This has got to be one of the best deals on Italian sausage. This whole thing, even though they are in the casing, I mean, it's a pretty good deal. 10 bucks for this, I'll take it. And I just love the decadence of pork inside of a meat sauce. I do mix it with beef, and I bought Wagyu beef the other day, so Wagyu beef with this mild Italian sausage, good eats, and the girls love it. Look at this. It's hella empty. Probably because they're gonna close in 5 minutes, so I'm gonna run to the front after I take a look at this, because what is this? Pizza Truffle 3-cheese blend. It's pizza plus waffle plus croissant. Wow, that sounds hella good. How does that even work? I don't understand how you would combine a waffle and a croissant together. Or maybe, so Judy did this thing the other day. She put my mom's sourdough bread with cheese and butter into a waffle maker, so a waffle iron, and made a panini, but waffle shaped. That's good. So if you put a croissant in a waffle maker with a little bit of pizza sauce and cheese, that does sound good. By the way, I saw somebody buying this. I should have warned them. 8:30 right on the dot. That was nice, very peaceful, really easy, no traffic, still stocked up on things. I was actually quite surprised, especially the poke. I didn't think I would find fresh poke, but maybe that's the play. If you want poke, come late at night because they have the fresh stuff. They sold out of that stuff from the day before. Little tip. Hello.
How's the nuggets?
Good. I love coming here at this time.
Honestly, it's not that bad.
Yeah, it's pretty chill.
Not very many people, and you can find stuff a lot easier.
I know. I was surprised that you're stocked up on everything.
Yeah, pretty much the only thing we're not stocked up on right now is Costco brand or Kirkland brand, like water and toilet paper and stuff like that.
And toilet paper, why? Is that always the case at night?
No, so a lot of like, what's it called, like stalkers and inventory people are going on strike at a lot of different places.
Oh.
And so people are where Costco's going to do it too.
Oh God, and so they're getting it up. I got
And
it.
so people are like, oh my God, we get to Costco in case they like shut down. And a lot of people are like, we're not going to.
Yeah. Especially on the West Coast. I heard it's more on the East Coast, if they even do it. Yeah.
There.
Okay, good to know. Because that was the only thing I didn't get today. It was toilet paper.
Yeah, we were out by like noon today.
Oh, crazy. People are crazy. Thank you. There you go. That's why they didn't have toilet paper, because people are freaking out. And I can't blame them, because I remember in 2020, I did the same thing too.